You're trying to budget, you download a budgeting app, but then paranoia sets in. Is this app snooping on your finances? Are your bank accounts at risk? Today, we're diving deep into PocketGuard. Is it safe to use? PocketGuard is a popular budgeting app that promises to simplify your financial life. It connects to your bank accounts, credit cards, and investment accounts to track your spending, identify subscriptions, and even suggest ways to save money. But with that level of access, security concerns are valid. Safety concerns. Data privacy. PocketGuard collects your financial data. How secure is that data? Does the app share your information with third parties? What is their data privacy policy? Scrutinize their policy carefully. Look for details on data encryption, how they handle data breaches, and your rights to data access and deletion. Account security. Strong passwords and two-factor authentication are crucial. Always review your account activity within the app for any suspicious transactions. Be wary of phishing scams that may try to trick you into revealing your login credentials. App security. Keep your app updated to the latest version. Only download the app from official app stores like Google Play or the Apple App Store to avoid malicious versions. Safety measures. Limited account access. Don't necessarily grant the app access to all your accounts. Start with a single account and gradually add more as you trust the app. Regular security checks. Periodically review your connected accounts and their permissions within the app. Remove any accounts you no longer want linked. Monitor your bank accounts. Regularly check your bank statements for any unauthorized transactions, even if the app doesn't flag anything. PocketGuard can be a valuable tool for budgeting and saving money. However, like any app that handles sensitive financial data, it's essential to prioritize security. By understanding the potential risks and taking proactive safety measures, you can use PocketGuard confidently while minimizing your exposure to potential threats. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.